Hey guys, I'm back in another video. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm in my cousin's room with the lights off. It's dark. And Lisi's here too. Y'all can't see any of us. But we're about to turn the light. And we're not gonna do any more pranks until tomorrow because it's very late. But I know what I got for her, guys. So if you didn't watch, go ahead and go watch I'm Not Your Best Friend Anymore prank. Please go watch that, like and subscribe.
Yeah, Lisi did that on her. I did that on
Leave comments, please, in the bio section, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to be showing our slimes, but it's not that much actually. It's about 2 slimes, but as I said, I'm going to be making some
today.
As I said, I'm going to be making some, so turn on the lights.
We're making slime today. Right now?
Just be quiet, please.
Excuse me?
Oh, that hurt my eye.
There's no slime in here.
Look. Khalees, be quiet. Come on, let's go. Alright, so look. Set the camera up. There you go. Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see? Alright, I gotta take it out my secret hiding spot. Nobody tell. So this one, which one you want to go with first, please? The camera to the white one. There's one fluff and there's one clear. So she said white one. So,
so fluffy.
It smells awesome.
Oh yeah, it does. Which you don't have a tie?
No, green.
It looks.
Sunshine had game. My grandfather bought us game. He be buying us gallons of glue. So guys, it's sticky, but it won't be when I take all of it out. So let me just take all of it out real quick. Can I feel it? Not yet, not yet. I said not yet. She touched it. Don't open that one. Oh, it's open. And don't touch it yet, because that one is very sticky. But it's not sticky when you take it out.
You add more detergent in there?
It's not sticky when you take it out. Take this slime out the bag. Hold the bag. Let me get everything out if you can. Okay. I can't. Alright, here we go. Now it's gonna become less sticky, now that I took it out the bag. But some really good slime. You guys can't really see it well. Hold on, let me see something. You said you were boss. I know you were lame. Watch out. There you go.
Get out. It looks very sticky, but it's not.
Put it in the slime, because you have to play with it first.
Whoa, it's so fluffy. This is the fluffy one?
Yeah, this is fluffy.
What did you use?
But I'll put shaving cream a little bit in the clear slime too.
You had shaving cream over your grandpa's house?
Yes, he bought us shaving cream. He bought me Sunshine shaving cream. And he got us glitter glue and
it was only you and Sunshine?
Me, Sunshine, and Princess. Princess made slime too, but she left it over there. But that's why I wanted to go over there so I can bring back.
Princess is coming over here on Sunday?
Yeah, everybody's coming. I told you that.
But it's just going to be us and Kristen, right?
I think Princess is coming to Kristen too. Christening. Guys, remember I had told you that I'm getting christened, so this one is very nice and good. I need some good lightning. Khalees, you want to do me a favor?
No.
You're going to hold this, and then I'm going to let you play with that after, okay? Come on. Hold it onto it. Come out the shadow. Don't put your shadow. Wait, hold up, guys. Sorry, we're having a very hard time with the lightning, so you guys can see the slime because the camera keep on dropping. I'm vlogging right now. Alright, here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use this. I know what I have to put on it. Move the TV back. You say you a boss, I know you lame. There you go. Guys, I hope you can see, but that's the best I can do. Since I don't have a camera stander. Just be aware it's kind of gonna be dark. It's very fluffy. I added a lot of shaving cream. Don't mind if there's stuff in it. Please like and subscribe to this video. Tell me how you like your slime and tell me what's your favorite slime. Tell me
What's your favorite color?
Yeah, what's your favorite color? And I can't.
Whoever is the first one to like this video, we will subscribe to your channel and like 5 of your videos if you have 5 or more.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a giveaway, a prize giveaway. If
It's
you
not
guys,
in the video. It's not in the video. It's not in the camera.
Cause you moved it. Watch out! Don't be in the. Yeah. So I'm gonna give a giveaway to people. I have to at least get I confirmed this with my mom, and she's gonna go to Target and get some stuff. So it'll be good stuff. Not cheap stuff. I know you guys don't like cheap stuff. No offense, people who are cheap. Yeah, so I'm gonna give a giveaway. If you guys could give me up to at least 100 views, 100 likes, and about at least 20 subscribers. Up to that. My mom is going Target shopping, and if you guys do not do that for me, I cannot give the gifts out. Because I have gifts of my own that I haven't used yet that I could give to you guys.
Yeah, and when we're finished with this video, when we're gonna write a giveaways. So type in slimes, because that's gonna be our title.
Oh yeah, and I will be giving away slimes if you at least get my subscribers up to at least 20.
And free shipping too.
Free shipping? Hell no. I'm not shipping to nobody. Actually, I have to ship. I forgot. I'm gonna mail it.
Yeah,
but only if they do what I ask.
Yeah.
Please, people. In the next video, maybe I'll consider showing you the gifts. Maybe it'll maybe persuade you to like the videos more. I will be giving away slime. That's for the thermometer. All right, you want to play with it? Come on.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Very fluffy, guys. We soon move on to the next slime.
Whoa, it is very fluffy.
Don't put it in between here. It's gonna get the slime dirty. Don't put it between there.
I'm about to start making bubbles. My bubbles have not been coming
Don't
out
put this
so good so far. They were not coming out as I wanted them to. Yeah, but like she said, get this video to at least 100 likes. Be at least 20 subscribers by tomorrow.
No, not by tomorrow. At least by a week from now. Plus, you have to watch all my videos to get the prizes. And no skipping.
And like them. All of them.
Don't put the penny in my slime. And I'm giving away free glue for people who know how to make slime. So I have glue bottles, I have gallons, whatever you guys want. All I need y'all to do is get my likes and subscribers up. Get that off.
Huh?
Khalees, what are you doing? You're just being mad messy. Clean it up with your hands. Well, like, put the slime off your hands, put it on there, and just play with it. I'm trying to set up this camera because I'm not going to be holding it all the time. So, I will be vlogging in Bahamas too, guys. I'm so excited. I'm taking a trip to Bahamas with my other aunt for my birthday. Remember in the introduction I was telling you about my aunt? Yeah, but I'm taking a trip with her to Bahamas. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to be vlogging everything, even in the pool. I have a waterproof case. I'm going to be taking it underwater so you guys can see in the beach. And I'm going to be swimming with dolphins and all types of stuff. We're just going to get it popping in Bahamas. And I'm going to the Atlantic City, so if you're there, I would love to take pictures with some of my viewers or subscribers.
On Musically, we're gonna be doing
Doing a what?
A meet and greet. If you guys want a meet and greet. Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys, but she is saying too much stuff. I'm not doing a meet and greet. I'm not doing any of
I'm
this
doing
stuff.
a meet and greet. I was inviting you to do it, but
You don't have a channel to do a meet and greet.
I'm talking about on Musically. You can do a meet and greet.
No, you can't, Khalees.
Yes, you do. You don't see people doing the meet and greets where like they would go to a mall.
That's famous
and fans.
people.
Oh well.
You barely have likes. How are people gonna come to you? Only your school friends and me. I'll definitely support you, but we can do. Yeah, nobody can do a meet and greet on Musically because I barely have fans either. I have 200 fans on Musically, and that is. Maybe we could do a meet and greet with 200 people. Both of us could do a meet and greet, give away t-shirts and stuff. But we'll think about it. But basically, we're not doing meet and greets or any of that stuff or giveaways, none of that stuff until, and I have a special giveaway surprise. We're not doing none of that stuff until y'all do what I ask. Get my likes up, my subscribers, and my viewers, please. Alright, that's enough. Next slime. Because it's been through 13 minutes. Put it in there. Here. Okay guys, next slime. This is like the clear slime. I love it because it has sparkles and glitter. It's kind of like metallic-y. I thought you said you and Jacob have a YouTube account. I thought you said you and Jacob
are gonna make one.
If y'all do, please go follow my girl, Khalees. Lacey. And we'll be having a meet and greet soon, very soon. As long as y'all get our likes up. On Musically too. So tell all your friends out there, oh, go get London Waits likes up and subscribers. She's giving away free gifts and stuff like that. So.
And we're only doing the meet and greet if we at least get to 100 subscribers. That's the only way.
I don't even know like why I did that. I don't even know like why I hit that.
So guys,
if you want to know what song I'm singing, I am singing Nicki Minaj and what's his name? 6ix9ine song, Fifi. Go listen to that too. It's called Fifi.
Oh, I heard of it, but I don't know the lyrics.
I got that song stuck in my head, guys. Tukashi. And please,
they were dating. I was like,
please go show some love. So can I tell them? Nah.
Tell them.
I can't.
Why? It's about me.
It's too sad.
I feel so hard.
Yeah, it was hard because I left it open.
Why?
You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, don't tell them, right? I was just gonna tell them to show you some love for it. But guys, maybe I'll find out one day, but not right now. It's very sad. And you guys don't know what she's going through. So please don't try to comment anything. You don't know what she's going through.
Rude comments.
You want to tell them?
Rude comments.
You could just tell them. It'll get your likes up too, but you don't care about likes.
Rude comments will get blocked on Musically. Anything hated on our pages, you will be getting blocked, and I will
just tell them. They don't understand what you're talking about if you don't tell them.
Guys.
Just be like. That's what you have to say.
Alright, guys. So.
But Khalees, I'm not forcing you because I know how you feel too. If you don't want to tell them, yeah, you don't have to tell them. I'm just telling you.
I'll tell them like in a week or so. Not right now. It's too soon.
Alright, guys. Y'all can't find out right now, but like she said, in a week or two, because some very sad news, and you guys don't know what she's gone through. So please don't comment anything that is rude
On either pages.
Please don't comment anything, please.
Yeah, on Sunday we will we're vlogging.
We're vlogging every day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be vlogging every day.
We're gonna be vlogging on Sunday because we're gonna have a barbecue.
I told them I'm getting christened. I'm gonna have a barbecue, and I am going to be vlogging. I need to shut this video down. It's 17 minutes.
And also one more thing before we go. On Sunday we will be on Musically a lot, and this whole week will be Musically. So just please be active on our pages.
Right now we're about to go Musically right now. So yeah, be active.
Be active, please, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Later.
Bye, LK gang. That's what I'm gonna name our channel, LK gang. Even though it's a family channel, my family's still gonna be in it, like Panton kids. But sometimes it'll be just me and my parents, cause my cousin doesn't live over here. She lives in Queens, and sometimes she'll be over here. But basically, she comes over here every day. But sometimes she'll be in Queens, sometimes she be over here. Sometimes she sleeps over for a week or a month or whatever you want to call it. But she moved to Queens, guys. So make sure you go.
And spam our likes on everything. Musically. Snapchat. Follow
us. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Bye,
Bye,
guys. Boop. Psych. All right, bye, guys.